guys, it's Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and staying absolutely safe at home. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a huge Amazon clothing haul. Now the best part about this haul is everything is going to be under rupees 350. So that's going to be a budget friendly video for you guys. Now I know most of you guys are going to colleges and school. So you guys couldn't afford so much of money to invest in dresses or tops. So here we go. I've covered you guys. Now before getting into this video, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment using the hashtag YouTubeBeraFan, make sure you guys subscribe and also press the little bell icon. Now I have made multiple Amazon hauls in the past as well. In case you're interested, I'll make sure to link the playlist in the description box below or either in the iCard. ये वीडियो खत्म होने के बाद तुरंत वो सारे वीडियोस देख लेना and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well. My handle goes with my name Pooja_Bera. And yeah, without further more delay, let's quickly dive straight into this video. So the first clothing item that I've got from Amazon is a very beautiful date ready dress. Now this is a red color dress. Now as you guys could see, it's one strap and here there's a ruched pattern going on. You guys could also tie this knot in case you want. And this is going to be a straight slim fit dress. जिनको ना ज़्यादा तामझाम नहीं पसंद है and like to wear basics should definitely stick to this one. Now I ordered this dress in the size M and I got this one for just rupees 299. That's unbelievable, right? The quality is really bang on. Polyester material का है and it glides very well on my skin. So I'm really comfortable wearing this dress and I would highly recommend you guys to check this one out. Those who are a crop top lover would definitely love this crop top. Now as you guys could see, it's black in color and have got this beautiful mesh detailing right at the top and here as well. It looks very classy. You guys could pair such kind of crop tops with a denim skirt or maybe a red skirt or maybe a leather skirt. I think you guys are going to shine bright wearing such crop top. I think this fits my body really well. The only problem which I see with this crop top is you have to wear a very delicate tube top inside this one because it is going to show your bra lines right from here. Now I got this beautiful crop top for just rupees 250 and I just can't wait to wear this off. Again, I'm in the size M. You guys know my love for backless tops. Here we go. I have added one more backless top in my closet. Now the backless detailing goes right here. As you guys could see, there are so many straps going here and there. Although the straps are pretty sturdy and the material of this outfit is really good. It's very thick. I'm not sure if the camera is able to capture the beauty of this top. The color is bang on. Somewhere वो पोपटी color and yellow color का mix है and it looks so good on me. I'm going for a vacation and ये top तो मैं definitely पहनने वाली हूँ. Again, this top is very stretchy. So that's a plus point. Also it comes with a padded stuff right inside this. So आपको ना ब्रा अंदर क्या पहनना है उसका कोई भी टेंशन नहीं है. ये टॉप पहन लो and you guys are going to be sorted. I love the way how it is cinching my body so well. Now I got this backless crop top for just rupees 379 and again I'm in the size M. I'm really happy with this purchase. So the collection that I've shared with you guys in today's video is from my Haulpak store. I have linked it in the description box below. जैसे ही आप उस लिंक पे क्लिक करोगे you will be landed to my Haulpak store जहाँ पे आपको सारे प्रोडक्ट लिंक्स दिखाई देंगे. So this is a very easy way to buy products because एक ही लिंक पे आपको सारे प्रोडक्ट लिंक्स दिख जाएंगे rather than clicking on one separate product links each time. So yeah, in case you guys love anything from this haul, you guys could go ahead purchase it out. I'm sure you guys must have seen such crop tops in many YouTubers video. It has got this very beautiful bell sleeves right here. The color is too good. It's a blend of maroon and red. It has got this ruched detailing right here. Those who want to wear it like this, you can style this top in this plain way or you guys could go ahead pull it up and it's going to give this ruched detailing right here. The fabric is really good. I swear, this is the best material I have came across. Pair this one with denim jeans, and oh my god, you guys are going to look so bomb. Definitely pick this one. ज़्यादा short भी नहीं है, and I got this one in the size M. Talking about the price, I got this one for $2.99. It's again a bargain deal. Next thing that I've got from Amazon is something out of my comfort zone, and I don't think so I've ever tried something like this in the past. So this is a mesh detailed dress, but the catch is it's rainbow colored dress, and it has got so many embroidered detailing all over the dress. Now I'm not sure what piece of inner garments I'm gonna wear underneath this. I think I should go for some spaghetti dress. Anyways, you guys could go ahead and recommend me something in the comment sections. And overall, I think this purchase is a okay deal. I'm not really impressed with this one. I got this dress for rupees 278, which is again very affordable. Those who like wearing tank tops are definitely going to love this one. Now this one has got this very pretty olive green color, and oh my god, look at me. It fits me so well. Those who guys are not comfortable wearing such crop tops can definitely jazz up your look by throwing a denim jacket over it, and I think that's going to look super classy on you guys. The material is of knitted material, ripped pattern जो बोलते हैं ना वैसा material का है, and I'm in love with the fit. Definitely. Again, I got this one in size M and ordered it for rupees 282. Again, I have saved a lot, I would say. The last clothing item that I've got from Amazon, I'm not sure if the camera is able to capture this beauty because there is a lot of ruched detailing right here, okay? And it's a white color full sleeves top. Again, a crop top because you guys know I love wearing crop tops. So I keep on shopping a lot of crop tops from Amazon. Overall, I think the neckline could have been better, but for the price point I am still compensating. Now I got this crop top for rupees 349. I have to get it altered right from here because it is little bit loose on my body, but that's not the point. It would hardly cost me somewhere around 40-50 rupees, which I can definitely afford, I think. Other than that, the quality is again good. So in case you're interested, you guys could check out the product link in the description box below. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. In case you love watching such kind of hauls, do let me know in the comments down. Also, आपका favorite clothing item क्या था from this haul? Do let me know in the comments down. Make sure you guys chit chat with me on my Instagram. My handle goes with the name Pooja_Bera, and I'll catch you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.